Hey loves, it's your girl mua.alexandria, and in today's video is going to be featuring products that were sent to me from Lucky Chick. I'm so excited, and it being 2023. So thank you guys for watching this far, subscribing, liking, and commenting, and sharing all of my videos. I truly appreciate the support, so let's get to it. So the products that they sent over that we're going to be using today is their Eye Jewels liquid eyeshadow in the color Golden, and then we have the hydrating lip lacquer in the color Blissful, and we have the creamy matte lipstick in the color Blissful as well. So we're gonna start with doing the concealer, blending that in, doing the contour, and then adding the foundation to the bottom and blending that in. So since they did send us a liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna add a pop of color to complete the whole look. So I'm gonna add it in my corners and above my crease. So now for the moment I've been waiting for, and I hope you've been waiting for as well. Ta-da, there it is. I love the package. Details is very cute, and I love this applicator on the liquid eyeshadow. It made it very easy to apply and do a cut crease. And as you'll see, I did not have to dip it in twice. I was able to do this eye and continue to the other eye as well. It's very movable, it didn't crease up throughout the day, and it's very pigmented. Look at this color payoff, like, it's gorgeous. So now I'm gonna go back in with that same burgundy color, and I'm going to deepen my outer corners and go above my crease. Now we're gonna add the liner. And of course, we can't forget to add mascara. Going in with the setting powder. Now popping on some lashes. And now we're gonna add some blush. And something new. Highlighter. Wow. And in the spirit of newness, I decided to add it to my brow bone. Cleaning up the brows. Coating the bottom lashes with mascara. Cleaning off the lips. Going in with a brown lip liner. So now we're going in with their creamy matte lipstick in the color Blissful. The packaging was everything, and I must say I did love this lip combination, and it does live up to its name. It is very creamy to be a matte lipstick. It slides on perfect, and it does add moisture as well. And now we're gonna be adding their hydrating lip gloss in the color Blissful as well, to finish off this great lip combo. Just to add that extra shine to it. And there you have it, the finished look. So you can head on over to luckychick.com and receive all these amazing colors, and they do have more, and they retail between $20 to $25, and with my discount code you can get 20% off. So what are you waiting for? Click the link down in the description below. I also want to thank VoyageATL for featuring my story in this month's magazine. You can click the link in the description below to read it yourself, guys, to get to know your girl. So check it out.